Let's look at the perimeter of compound shapes. Find the perimeter of this compound shape. We have two methods of solving this. The first method is what I'm going to teach you now. This is the shape. Now, solving this shape, we're going to look at this area, the following area, from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. This side is 10 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. Now, looking at the shape, this side, let's fill it up. Now, filling this area up, we can see that it has completed this compound shape to be a regular shape, which is rectangular shape. Now, here we have rectangle, and in rectangle the opposite sides are equal. That means if this is 15 centimeter, this side will be 15 centimeter, and if this is 10 centimeter, this side will be 10 centimeter. Finding the perimeter of this shape is very easy. It's just to add all the sides together. Then here, by adding 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, we're going to have 50 centimeter. So the perimeter of the shape is 50 centimeter. The second method is, we have our shape here. We're looking for this side and this side. Okay, so we're looking at this area and this area. Now I want you to look at this point. From this point to this point is what? Remember, from here to here is 10 centimeter. Now if you are to remove this area from 10 centimeter, what are we going to have? This area is 4 centimeter. It's 4 centimeter. So let's remove 4 centimeter from 10 centimeter. So here, from here to this side will be 6 centimeter. So we have 6 centimeter. Then the second one is from here to here. Remember that from here to here is 15 centimeter. Now let's remove this side from 15 centimeter. Remember that this area is 3 centimeter. So if you are to remove 3 centimeter from 15 centimeter, what do we have? We have 12 centimeter, which means this area is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Okay. So this side is 12 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Now we've already gotten our area. By subtracting 4 from 10, this area from this area we have 6 centimeter, and by subtracting 3 from 15, that is this point from this point, so this gives us 12 centimeter. So to get our perimeter is to add all the sides together, which is 15 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 12 centimeter and plus 4 centimeter is the total size of this shape. 15 plus 10 centimeter, which is 25 centimeter, and 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 4 is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter is 50 centimeter. So that is how to look for perimeter of compound shapes. Is either you follow the first method or you use the second method. Any method you use, you're going to arrive at the same answer. Thank you for watching the video. Please kindly subscribe to our channel to enjoy more video. Thank you.